Hello everyone. Here in this session, we are going to discuss a very important question, and this question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 3, and question number was 65. The question is, a bit stuffing based swimming protocol uses an 8-bit delimiter pattern of 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. If the output bit string after stuffing is 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, then the input bit string is. So we have given output, and on the basis of output string, we need to find out the input bit string, right? So you know the concept that here we are having 8-bit delimiter, and 8-bit delimiter is 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Right now, the concept is that if we are given 8-bit delimiter, here we need to insert 0. Here we need to insert 0. Getting it? So, because these are all continuous ones, and we are also having output string. So you can match 0 1 1 0 1 1. Thereafter 1 1 0, that is 1 1 0 1 1 0. And thereafter we are having 0 1 0 1. It means that here we are having 0. Now we need 0 1 0 1. So input string would be like this, right? So on the basis of that, if you are going to see which of the following is input string, so 0 1 1, if you are going to see 0 1 1 1, here how many ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. In 8-bit delimiter, there are continuous 6 ones. There are continuous 6 ones. So 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 and 5. And here 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is if we can say that if it is input bit string 6, right? And here all are ones. Here all are ones. So you know the concept that for, let's say, in output string at large we are having 0 1. Here we are not having 0 1. Obviously it would not be our output string. Here 0 1 is there, 0 1 is there, and here we are having 0 0. So option A is discarded and option D is also discarded. Now the remaining option is option B and option C. And out of option B and option C, you can take once option C. But here you can observe that if option C is our input string, then output would be like 0 1 1 1 1, first 3 ones, and then 2 more ones. Thereafter we need to put 0 because here 6 continuous ones are there. So before 5, after 5 ones, we need to put our bit stub, that is 0. After that, what we are having 1 1 0 1, that is 1 1 0 1. Obviously it is not our output string which is given to us, so option C is also discarded. Now let's observe option B, very important. 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. So here you can see 0 1 1 1, all 5 ones are there. After that I need to put stub the bit here. So I will put 0 here, and if I will put 0 here, the rest of the part will remain same, because again we are not having continuous 5 ones. So this is exactly equal to our output string. If you are going to match it, 0 1 1 1 1 1, and thereafter 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, exactly. So here the concept is that if we are having continuous 6 ones in delimiter, after 5 ones we need to put our bit stub. If we are having continuous, let's say 9 ones, we need to put 0 before 8, after 8 ones. Here continuous 6 ones are here, so we need to put 0 here, right? So option B is the correct answer, that after 5 ones we have to put 0, and thereafter it will become 0 1 0 1 as it is. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Further, if anybody have doubt or anybody have any confusion, you may ask me in the comment section. Till then, have a nice day, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.